Okay, here's part 4.5. So I filmed an entire video of painting this, showing you how to do it, and it all got deleted. So I don't know where it's gone. It's now gone forever. So we skipped a bit. So straight to, as you can see, the colours laid down. So yeah, so just giving you a quick look how it looked. I started already detailing, as you can see. Gutted. Oh well. Anyway, so next video will be airbrushing. Also had a video starting spraying these and how they're kind of going to look out. So yeah, so all in the barrels are going to be sprayed white. So once I finish this, I'll spray the inside barrels white and then clear coat them and the rims will be done. So yeah, gutted. I didn't get that on. It's all disappeared. So yeah, here's the colour. So next video I'll show you the ins and outs of airbrushing, I guess. So anyway, basically one thing, I'm not going to sand this. It's going to start airbrushing straight onto it. So that's another thing a lot of people say you can't do, and I've proven it wrong hundreds of times. So enjoy, and sorry, see you in part 5. Hope you like what you see so far. Alright, peace out. Yo!